Hello everyone and welcome. In this video I'm going to walk you through how to change video quality on YouTube Kids. Unfortunately, there isn't a direct setting within the YouTube Kids app itself to specifically change video quality, and here's why. You see, YouTube Kids prioritize a safe and age-appropriate experience for children. Video quality are often simplified to provide a more streamlined and user-friendly experience for young users. However, you can indirectly influence video quality. How? You can enable data saver mode on your device or within the YouTube Kids app if applicable. This mode will generally prioritize lower video quality to conserve data usage. Please note that the specific settings and options may vary slightly depending on the device and version of YouTube Kids app you're using, and always utilize parent control to manage other aspects of your child's YouTube Kids experience, such as content restriction and viewing time limit. I hope this clarifies the situation. Do not forget to like and subscribe to the channel for more. Thanks for watching.